In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can screen record while capturing the audio when you speak, right? So you wanna swipe down on your iPhone. Instead of doing the regular tap like you just normally tap the iPhone button and it started recording here, what you wanna do instead is tap on hold. So here I'm gonna stop the recording, then I'm gonna tap on hold, and here it gives me the option to turn on the microphone. So now I can go ahead and select start recording. Now this will capture the audio as I speak and it will store to photos, right? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to Dropbox and upload this. Because I'm sharing my screen, you won't be able to hear the audio. So I'm just going to upload it to my Dropbox and play it from my PC. So it's the last two here. One will have the audio and one won't have the audio. So let's upload. Let's launch Dropbox. So this one here is the one with the audio. I'll be adding both of them to my video editor. So let's do a new project. Let's import files, and it's the last two video files here. So the last one will have the audio. So let me play this one. You can see the audio tracks and it will store to photos, right? So let me grab the other one. So this one here is the one that I just tap record, and you can see there's no audio attached to it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.